In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily close all open tabs at once in Safari web browser on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up your Safari web browser. As you can see, I got some open tabs here, and then in order to close all those tabs at once, all we have to do is just press and hold our finger at that tabs icon until it comes up, and then just choose close all tabs, just like that. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.